Look at all our little friends on the feeder. Here comes a cardinal. It's on the rock. That one pushed the other one out of the smaller one. Here comes a cardinal. Oh, cute. Oh, they're loving it this morning. They're all just lined up around that. I like that little one on the ground. It's on the left right now. It's got a red head and its chest is red. It's cute. It just went over to the rock over there. I can't believe how many there was on it. It's at least 6 on the feeders. Where'd everybody go? Oh, there's a bluebird, but it's not stopping. I wish the bluebirds would figure out this is over here. There's several over there they're on the end of the gutter. I don't know if you can see them or not. Those are bluebirds. But they're kind of just hanging out looking. They're not coming over to it. That really surprises me, because they're all the time over here on this light pole. They're just looking over here. They're not, maybe they don't want to come over with these other birds over here or something. funny, only one can fit in the one on the right. And they'll come in, they'll push the one that's in there, they'll push it out, and then they'll get in. And somebody will come along and push them out. It's funny to watch. The one that's sitting inside of it right now has been in there for a while. There goes the bluebirds. I don't understand why they're not trying this out. They're curious, but they won't come over here. Oh, I wish they would come over. There's two more over on that stump. One just took off. They're so pretty, and they're not usually afraid of me. Hey, birdie, hey. Hello there, little guy. I just love these little, I guess they're finches. There, one just got pushed out now. Huh. What's going on? Here's a new one. Just ran every one of them off. I know the sun's coming out some. Ooh. Maybe when I go in, the bluebirds will come over here and check it out. I'll look out the window after a while and see. Well, let's see if Kitty's up here. Hi, Kitty. I see you. She's over on the left. Kitty, you sleeping? Hey, Kitty. She is asleep. Hello, everyone. How are y'all doing this morning? Hey, we're doing pretty good. I am doing pretty good, too. Let's don't forget, I'm going to be winding this down. I've given a few extra days because of the holiday. But let's don't forget the Name the Gnome contest. Mrs. Gnome needs a name. So, all you have to do, it's real simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to me. And in my comments, leave your idea for Mrs. Gnome's name. And then say, enter me. And you'll be in to win the official Disney book of the movie that just came out, Dumbo. And it's great for all ages. It's a real nice prize. So everybody get your entry in. And I think I'm going to be drawing the winner next Wednesday. So don't forget to enter. She's getting a little upset. She's wanting a name. Well, the birds took off for now, and I'm gonna go in and see if these bluebirds that are hanging around might come over here and check out the feeder. Hopefully, I'll be getting my bird baths soon. I think it said the 8th through the 10th or something like that. So it should be here soon, and I'll set it up. Hello, little birdie. Hello. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Press like, please. Subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Those two checked it out and took off, I guess because I was talking. They're all hanging out waiting for me to leave, probably. See, there's 3 or 4 of them on the gutter, if you can see. They're just sitting there waiting. And as soon as I go in, they'll come over here. It's because I'm talking, I guess. Okay, guys. I'm going in so you can eat your breakfast. Okay, I'm going to go get some more coffee, y'all. And I'll talk to you later on. Bye-bye.